Marlene. Did you know over 240 million emergency calls are made in the US alone every year? In many cases, incoming calls are put on hold or emergency response times are increased due to the high demand. Natural disasters such as wildfires and floods increase the demands on emergency response teams dealing with incoming calls. Increases in calls related to the same incident can often mean that calls related to other incidents can get lost. We've answered the call for code by developing our solution, Watson Dispatch Manager, a system to help emergency call dispatchers by analysing incoming calls with Watson's AI technology and comparing them to existing emergency calls. Adi will now explain the solution.
So here is how it all works. The caller will be informed through recorded message that emergency response is unable to take the call, and the caller will be asked to narrate the details of the incident. The speech-to-text conversion service will provide the transcript of the caller's audio input to IBM Conversation Service, which would be able to match the data and respond if the incident has already been reported, or ask for further details through a text-to-speech conversion which can relay the audio message back to the caller. The solution will show the key entities of the incident like location and names involved on a dashboard for the emergency response team to prioritize an action. The solution will evolve to use IBM's natural language understanding to identify emotions, keywords and categorization of the incident, and would add orchestration component to manage the solution. Now my colleague Brian will give you a demo of the solution.
The demo shows a web application, but the real system should be interfaced with the phone system. Secondly, the demo system uses a hard-coded list of prior incidents to be matched against. In a real system, we should be recording incidents in a service like Watson Discovery Service, and then we will be using a service like Watson Natural Language Understanding to parse the incoming information from the caller to see if we can find close matches. We were lucky to be able to speak to two people who work in different emergency call handling services. They provided valuable confirmation that we were working on a product which would be really useful to them. However, in the next phase, we'd like to partner with an emergency call handling service so they would actually try out our solution and provide us some feedback. Thank you.